Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Hasibul Alamanik. Currently, I am studying Daffodil International University in BBA department. My ID is 241110203. I am living in Dhaka, Dokhin Khan area with my families, and my hometown is Kishoreganj. And I have completed my SSC exam in Uttara High School and College. My result is GPA 5, and my HSC result is GPA 5 in Rajaputra Modern College. Daffodil International University is one of the most famous in my country because of their facilities, transportation, campus, cleanness, and everything. Our teachers and faculties every time help their students. It's cause of any problem, they are help them. And the university provide lots of facilities such as common facilities, study facilities, library facilities, computer facilities, garden facilities, campus facilities, transportation facilities, everything. So we are proud because I am Daffodilian, and our classmate, batchmate, both of them are cooperative. Almost 30,000 students studying this university, running students. And recently, Daffodil International University currently ranked number 1 in private university in my country. Also, lots of foreigner students, for example, Nigerian, Uganda, South African, lots of foreigner students come Bangladesh and studying in this university. Thank you everyone.